X and Y, and you have a point here, right? And this X term describes how far along it is in the X, and this Y term describes how far along it is in the Y. Now, let's say that we had a line drawn to this point, right? And we wanted to call this line R. We call this line R, right? And then let's say we drew two imaginary lines, one right here for the Y axis to tell how far along it is in the Y, and there's one right here on the X axis to tell how far along it is in the X, right? Now, we know from our trig, we have a right angle. This forms a triangle, right? And we also have this angle theta here, right? Now, this angle theta is based on a rotation of 360 degrees. 360 degrees, that makes a circle. With this being the center of the circle here at the origin. This right here, I labeled it R. R for radius. The radius of a circle, half of its diameter. Right? The radius of a circle can never be negative. Right? Now, you see from any point on any graph, we can draw this circle right here. Right? And so polar coordinates are just a measurement of that point, or it's just describing that point, I should say, in terms of the radius and the angle that it forms with the positive x-axis. So polar coordinates are just another name to describe this same point. Instead of x comma y, we're going to describe it as the radius and the angle from the positive x-axis. We all know we take our angles counterclockwise from the positive x-axis. 360 degrees. Thank you. I'm done.